Straight Talk has unlimited talk, text, and 25 gigabytes of high-speed data for $45 a month. Hey guys, today I'm going to take a look at the Straight Talk wireless plans and features for February 2019. Straight Talk recently updated some of their plans to include significantly more data. Before getting started, I want to point out that this is not a review, just a look at the plans and features currently offered. I've used Straight Talk for years, and I have plenty of articles and videos about using Straight Talk on smartphonematters.com and the YouTube channel, so check those out if you're interested. Before looking at the plans and features, I want to tell you a little bit about Straight Talk. Straight Talk's a prepaid wireless carrier that's exclusively available from Walmart or online at straighttalk.com. Straight Talk is one of the many prepaid wireless brands owned by TracFone. Straight Talk doesn't own their own cellular network. They use either the AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, or Sprint network, depending on where you live and which phone you use. Just to be clear, your phone's going to use one of those networks. When you sign up for Straight Talk, you can have a choice. You can buy your phone directly from Straight Talk. Sometimes you can get a pretty good deal on a phone from Straight Talk. I have a deals and promotions page for Straight Talk on smartphonematters.com. I list the latest deals there each month. You can check that out if you're interested. Or if you already own a phone and you want to bring that to Straight Talk, you can do that too. You just need to buy a $1 bring your own phone SIM kit from Straight Talk and sign up that way. Let's check out the plans and features. I'm here on straighttalk.com. I'll choose Shop Service Plans. Scrolling down the page, you'll see the different plans listed here. They have 6 different plans. All these plans include unlimited nationwide talk and text, meaning you can make and receive calls from inside the United States to other locations in the United States. 5 of these plans include a fixed amount of data, and 1 plan includes unlimited data. All right, let's take a look at the plans. The $35 plan includes unlimited talk and text and 3 gigabytes of high-speed data. The price of this plan drops to $34 when you sign up for Auto Refill. Auto Refill is Straight Talk's automatic payment program. You give Straight Talk your credit card, they charge your plan to your card each month, and they give you a $1 discount. With the $35 plan, you'll have 3 gigabytes of high-speed data. If you use up that 3 gigabytes of high-speed data within the month, you'll still have a data connection. You'll have what they call 2G data, but be aware 2G data is pretty slow. If you're using 2G data, you may be able to send and receive some emails, do some basic messaging, or browse the web extremely slowly. But you're not going to be watching YouTube or some other video streaming service, and don't count on being able to listen to streaming music over your cellular data connection with 2G data. In the fine print, at 2G speeds, the functionality of some data applications such as streaming video or audio may be affected. Please refer always to the latest terms and conditions of service at straighttalk.com. If you use up your 3 gigabytes of high-speed data within the month, you will have the option to add more high-speed data. You can purchase additional high-speed data, and I'll talk about that after I go through the plans. And then finally, if you don't use up all your high-speed data within the month, any unused portion will expire. So there's no carryover data or rollover data. The unused data does not move to the following month. This plan previously had 2 gigabytes of high-speed data, so Straight Talk added 50% more data there. Next up is the $45 plan. This plan comes with unlimited talk and text and 25 gigabytes of high-speed data. Price of this plan drops to $44 when you enroll in Auto Refill. That's a $1 discount. $45 plan follows all the same rules for data that I described with the $35 plan. After you've used up the 25 gigabytes of high-speed data, you'll still have data. It'll just be the 2G speeds. You can add data to this account as needed. Straight Talk recently increased the amount of data on this plan significantly. In December of 2018, the plan came with 10 gigabytes of high-speed data. In January, they increased that to 15 gigabytes of high-speed data. And in February, they increased that to 25 gigabytes of high-speed data. So for many people, this plan is a good value. Next up is the $55 plan. They call this the Ultimate Unlimited plan. It includes unlimited nationwide talk and text and unlimited data. The price of this plan drops to $50 a month when you sign up for Auto Refill. That's a $5 discount. But you're only going to get that $5 discount for the first 3 months. After 3 months, the price of the plan goes to $54 or a $1 discount. Let's take a look at the details here. This plan is $55 and it includes unlimited data. Now, there are a few things you need to understand about that unlimited data. First is that the video is going to stream at reduced quality. So that you'll see here, it says video typically streams at DVD quality. So that's SD quality or 480p. They reduce the quality of the video because it saves them data. And then finally, at 60 gigabytes, we reserve the right to review your account for usage in violation of Straight Talk's terms and conditions. Now, a few other things I want to point out here. They don't say anything about reducing your speed. There's no maximum download speed set on this high-speed data. They don't say anything about prioritizing your data after you use a certain amount of data. They just say that after you've used 60 gigabytes of data, they're going to review your account to see if you're violating their terms and conditions. If you use over 60 gigabytes, Straight Talk may contact you and give you a warning. They may temporarily suspend your service, or they might terminate your service. And a lot of this has to do with mobile hotspot, but we'll talk about mobile hotspot after we go through the plans. Next up is the $60 plan, the unlimited international plan. This is the $45 plan, but they've added international calling to it. If you sign up for auto refill, the price drops to $59, a $1 discount. Now let's take a look at the details here. So you're going to get international calling with this plan. You'll have unlimited mobile to Mexico, China, Canada, and India. If you're interested in this plan with international calling, just make sure you understand the details. They don't support direct international dialing. You need to dial an access number first. They have an international dialing app to automate that for you. Second, you can only call up to 15 unique phone numbers per month. Also, make sure you check the list of countries that you can call and make sure that you can call either landline, mobile lines, or both in the countries that you're interested in. Next up is the $30 basic plan. Not a lot to say about this plan. You're not able to use this with smartphones that you buy from Straight Talk, nor are you allowed to use this plan with bring your own phone plans. This plan is only available for a limited set of basic phones from Straight Talk. I don't particularly think it's a great deal, $30 for 1,500 minutes per month with 100 megabytes of data. But if you find that meets your needs, contact Straight Talk and ask them which phones you can use with that plan. And then finally, they have the extended plans. This is essentially the $45 plan with 25 gigabytes of high-speed data. But here you're going to sign up for either 3-month, 6-month, or a 1-year interval. And if you do that, you'll save $5, $15, or $45 total if you choose to pay in advance for your service. It's really up to you to decide whether or not that's a good deal for you. Next up, add-ons. If you use up all your high-speed data on a fixed data plan, you can buy more data. For $5, you can buy 1 gigabyte of high-speed data. For $10, you can buy 2 gigabytes of high-speed data. $5 isn't a bad price to pay for 1 gigabyte of add-on data. And the thing I really like about Straight Talk's add-on data is the unused balance will roll over to the next month. So as long as you keep your phone active, that data will continue to roll over. Finally, they have $10 global calling cards. You can pay for $10 of credit. You can call a number of different international destinations for as low as 1 cent per minute. Just make sure you understand how it works. You can't direct dial international numbers. You have to dial the access number and make sure you can call mobile phones and landlines in the countries that you're interested in. Now, one of the nice things about the global calling add-on is that it doesn't expire as long as you keep your phone active. So if you occasionally need to call overseas, you can add one of these, and as long as you keep your phone active, the remaining balance will carry over. Straight Talk has always tried to set themselves apart by offering the most high-speed data for the least amount of money. 2019 prepaid is very competitive, but for some people, these prices on these plans are very good. The other nice thing about Straight Talk is their coverage map, because they offer service on 4 different networks. So chances are they'll have coverage in your area. Now, there are a few areas where I think Straight Talk could improve. Their support for advanced features isn't that good. So, for example, voicemail. If you sign up for Straight Talk, you're going to get regular voicemail. They don't offer visual voicemail. Now, some viewers have told me that they do get visual voicemail on Straight Talk's Verizon network. They don't officially support visual voicemail. If you get it, great, use it, but you can't rely on it. All right, next up, mobile hotspot. Straight Talk doesn't support mobile hotspot. Mobile hotspot lets you connect your laptop, tablet, or other Wi-Fi device to the internet using your phone's cellular data connection. Straight Talk doesn't support this feature. If you read their terms and conditions of service, it explicitly says you're not allowed to do this. For whatever reason, some Straight Talk customers are able to turn hotspot on and use it. And I've heard from a lot of people on that $55 unlimited plan that are using hotspot with their phone. They're using hundreds of gigabytes of data per month. Some of them say they never hear from Straight Talk. Others tell me they've gotten warnings, temporarily suspended, or have been terminated. In fact, they recently updated their terms and conditions of service, but I just wanted to show you here down in section 7. Any applications that allow your phone to act as an internet access point or Wi-Fi for other devices and computers, unless such use is allowed under your plan, that constitutes unauthorized use of your Straight Talk plan. Next, Wi-Fi calling. Straight Talk doesn't offer consistent support for Wi-Fi calling. So with Wi-Fi calling, your phone can make and receive calls and texts using your Wi-Fi connection rather than the cellular network. This lets you use your phone in areas where you have Wi-Fi but little or no cellular network coverage. A lot of people really want this feature. Straight Talk doesn't consistently support this feature. If you look in the terms and conditions of service, they outline their support for Wi-Fi calling. Wi-Fi calling may be available only on phones that are Wi-Fi calling capable and have a Wi-Fi calling enabled SIM card. The way it works with Straight Talk is you can go to this website, you can enter your phone number, the last 4 digits of your SIM number, and check to see if you're eligible for Wi-Fi calling. Most people I talk to that check this find out that they're not eligible. Some people say that Wi-Fi calling is only supported on a selected number of phones from Straight Talk that use their T-Mobile towers. I've had Wi-Fi calling with Straight Talk using their AT&T towers, even though when I checked my phone number on this page, it told me I wasn't eligible. You may find that you're able to use Wi-Fi calling with Straight Talk, but it's not guaranteed. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video, and I will talk to you next time.